Good morning. I'm Lacey Shippey on the Rural Radio Network, and it's time to take a look at our midday livestock trade. I've got Kyle Bumsted, livestock market analyst. And Kyle, we're seeing a little recovery today in both live and feeder cattle. Talk a little bit about what you see for the rest of the week.
Well, Lacey, it looks like I'm seeing some non-commercial buying here coming into the complex here as it is Tuesday. The funds that square their positions up here for the Friday Commitments Traders Report here just ahead of this USDA WASDE report. And for the record here, September feeders closed last Tuesday at 339.5 and September sitting at 343.12. So if we hold this, that's going to be a net gain on the week. Looks like the funds would be adding back to that long position. Live cattle, same sort of situation. October live cattle closed last Tuesday at 227.10. We're sitting at 227.60 right now. So looks to me like they may be pared back a little bit, but they're maybe just kind of stabilizing and adding back on here a little bit. So the report did just dump here. We got corn down 10 cents and beans down 15, wheat down 8.5. So that's kind of the initial knee-jerk reaction here. The cattle didn't really take off and do anything off this report here based off the algos and the AI trading. But the feeder cattle index today looks like it's going to be up $1.67 around that 342.71 with the daily number at 339.47 on 3,838 heads. So as long as these cash feeders stay strong and cash live cattle stay strong, it's tough to sell a discount in these live cattle, especially when you've got the cash trading higher than the board. So it's tough to sell it out there. We're also seeing a little bit of commercial buying in the spreads. That October versus December is gaining very nicely here today. That spread kind of hit down a major support low around that 250, 255 area this morning. Someone really dumped out a lot of contracts down there at the low, and now we're back above $2 on it.
That is livestock market analyst Kyle Bumsted. If you'd like to talk to Kyle about the livestock markets, call him at 308-708-7340. I'm Lacey Shippey on the Rural Radio Network.
Let Gingrich Structures bring your building ideas to life with the Midwest top quality post frame buildings. From custom shops and garages to commercial storage and all things ag, large or small, we do it all. Built exactly how you want it, with endless design options, premium materials, and a team that gets it done right. Your custom building is just a call away. That's Gingrich Structures, spelled GingerICHstructures.com.
We arrived at the scene, and the job, like everyone before, was executed flawlessly, leaving us with more questions than answers. It was time to bring in the big guns. You don't mean. Yeah, John Deere Bale documentation. All the data, one location. It was the answer to everything. Visit johndeere.com/Bale documentation for more information.
Welcome back. I'm Lacey Shippey on the Rural Radio Network. It's time to take a look at your markets. Corn is down as traders are taking in the numbers from today's WASDE report, with the USDA projecting a record 53 bushels per acre for beans and 148 bushels per acre for corn. Yesterday's crop progress report showed a 1 percentage point drop in both corn and soybean good to excellent ratings. New export sales today saw about 315,500 metric tons of corn headed for Mexico. Of the total, 20,830 metric tons were new crop and the remaining old crop. Cattle futures are up this morning, supported by higher box beef and speculation that Labor Day festivities will mean higher demand. Cash prices at auctions are still holding strong, and fundamentals are helping the complex to rebound after last week's sell-off. December corn is down 12 1/4 at 395 1/4. March down 12 1/4 at 413. September soybeans up 10 1/2 at 1002 1/4. November beans up 10 3/4 at 1021 1/4. December Chicago wheat down 10 3/4 at 524 3/4. March down 10 3/4 at 544. December Kansas City wheat down 10 3/4 at 526 3/4. March down 10 at 545. September soybean meal is up 2 at 282.80. September bean oil is down 39 at 52.80. August live cattle up 245 at 235.52. October up 255 at 228.65. August feeders are up 380 at 344.02. September up 427 at 344.77. October lean hogs are down 7 cents at 91.70. December down 57 at 83.65. And Class 3 milk up 16 cents at 19.03. This is the Rural Radio Network.